1inch, a DeFi aggregator exchange that scans other decentralized exchanges to find the lowest and best prices for traders. By spreading the total amount being swapped across different dexes, 1inch is able to help traders swap at the best rate on each dex, thereby optimizing both slippage and gas fees, making it a much needed project in the DeFi space. With a total supply of 1.5 billion tokens, 1inch unlocked 6% or 90 million of its total supply on its release day in December 2020, with a plan to unlock the remaining tokens slowly over a 4-year period ending in 2024. 30% of the token supply is allocated to community incentives and 14.5% for network growth. 1inch has allocated the remaining tokens to core contributors, early supporters, and backers of the 1inch project. Now, with all this information, is 1inch bullish or bearish in the near future? To answer that, let's look at it from 3 perspectives. First is an economic standpoint. When there is an increase in the number of tokens added to a market simultaneously, there will be more supply of the tokens than its actual demand, and this causes inflation. And inflationary currencies tend to lose their values. Given 1inch had about 668 million tokens unlocked at the start of December 2022, and currently that figure has risen to 780 million tokens unlocked and will further increase to around 890 million tokens unlocked in January 2023, the massive number of tokens being added to the market per time gives 1inch an inflationary and thus bearish standpoint. Secondly, let's analyze the token distribution. More than 55% of the tokens are distributed to early investors and core contributors of the project. That's 825 million tokens alone assigned to early investors. As these tokens are released, these investors may want to sell off their tokens for several reasons. With the current state of the market, some investors who believe Bitcoin still has some downside may want to sell off their 1inch tokens with the aim of buying back cheaper in the future. Other investors may simply want to just make profit out of their investment and as a result sell their tokens. Such a massive amount of selling pressure, combined with the already weakened state of the overall crypto market, will affect the overall market sentiment towards 1inch, causing the price to plunge further. Finally, let's take real-world data analysis of the last token unlock and its effect on the 1inch price. According to Token Unlock, a crypto analytics platform, the last unlocking session for 1inch took place in June 2022. Reports from Look on Chain, as well as a few other blockchain trackers, reported that a few days before that unlock, a massive deposit of 15 million 1inch tokens was made to Binance Exchange. This information, combined with the inflation in the value of 1inch, as well as the already weakened market, sent the price of 1inch crashing from $0.8 to $0.6, as can be seen on the Gateio 1inch chart. At the time, Bitcoin was trading for around $24,280. Right now, Bitcoin has dumped even further to lower levels, retesting the $16,000 price multiple times and only breaking the $18,000 mark for the first time in several months. With the next unlock approaching in late December, Look on Chain, as well as other blockchain data platforms like Whale Alert, released info that another 15 million 1inch tokens valued at around $8 million was transferred to Binance again. The news alone sent the price of 1inch falling by another 3% due to investor fears of a repeat incident occurring. At the start of December, 1inch was trading for around $0.5 and is now currently valued below $0.39. With the upcoming token unlock being completed in a few days, which will be the last unlock for 2022, 1inch might just see a further plunge in its price. Ultimately, the overall bearish nature of the crypto market and inflation of 1-inch tokens combined with the potential mass sell-off puts 1-inch at an overall bearish standpoint in December 2022. Do remember to always conduct your own research and invest wisely in cryptocurrency. Join Gateio to take advantage of all the news platforms and materials available to keep you up to date on your choice cryptocurrencies.